Hi there, welcome to Mr. Gadget channel. In today's video I will show you how to add new user to Windows 11. We will check adding Microsoft account user, create new Microsoft account user, and add local user without Microsoft account. To add user in Windows 11, go to Start menu, search for Settings, go to Accounts, and scroll down and search for other users. Here you can add account. Let's check first option. If you already have a Microsoft account, you can type email of Microsoft account now. That's all. You can log off from current user and log in with new user. Now switch user to your new user, sign in, enter the password. You can create your PIN for faster login. Now you can personalize your experience. You can try Microsoft 365 for free for 1 month, or Microsoft OneDrive, you can customize your privacy settings, and you are done. Now we will check second option, how to add user without Microsoft account. You will create one during the process. Again, go to Start menu, Settings, Accounts, scroll down, Other users, Add account. Second option. And now get a new email address. Type your new email address. Choose your password. Your name, region, now you need to solve the puzzle to verify that you are human. Your account is now created. You can try to log in. Sign in. Sign in again. Enter password. Again, you can create your PIN for faster login. And again, customize your experience. And you are done. Now let's check third option, how to create local user without Microsoft account. Go to Start menu, Settings, Accounts, Other users, Add account. Second option. Now second option, add a user without Microsoft account. Enter your username, your password, choose your security questions, account is created, you can log in. Choose your local account and log in with new password. Choose your privacy settings and you are done. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.